In this video, I will guide you how you can change USDT to TRX in your Trust wallet. So first of all, you need to start by opening up your Trust wallet application and log into your account. Then what you need to do, you just need to select your swap option on the bottom of your screen, and there are two methods. Either you can use the official swapping of Trust Wallet, or you can simply go to the Discover and search for any other third-party swapping company. So in my case, I will simply select my USDT just like that, and then in the to section, I will simply search for my TRX. After searching for that, simply click on it. Then you just need to enter the amount and you are good to go. You just need to make sure to also check all the settings before proceeding further. As I said, there are two methods, so simply go for the Jupiter exchange or any other third-party exchange, and you just need to first connect your wallet. So simply connect your Trust wallet and click on the connect. After that, you just need to follow the same steps. You just need to select the USDT to TRX, and you just need to select your settings of slippage, and you are good to go. So that's the way of how you can change USDT to TRX in Trust wallet.